Hi everyone again. Now we are going to practice the double O sound. We have two O letters, but only one sound, that is U, U, U. Okay, so we are going to practice again with a presentation. And remember, repeat at least 5 times each word, okay? And if you want to practice more, what I recommend is to repeat each word 10 times. So I will share that presentation and I will name each picture for you because I hope you will practice, okay? So as I told you, these words are with double, o sea, two letters O, but we only pronounce one sound. When we can see these two letters together, not all the time, but for these words that I will present to you, we have to pronounce just a sound, U, U, okay? So let's begin. I will make it bigger for you in this way. So let me do this. Okay, let's begin. Boots, boot. Why? Because we have two. This is a plural, okay? Boots, boot, boot. Pool, uh, pool, 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 pool. Okay, very good. Broom, 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 broom. Okay, remember I have told you, try to use that broom for helping mom in the house, okay? Broom. So we use the broom to clean the floor, okay? Broom. Spoon, 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 spoon. Very good. Let's see the next one. Foot, only one, okay? Be clear about that. Only one is foot, foot, foot. Zoo, 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 zoo. We can see all animals in a zoo, but I have told you many times, animals must be free, okay? So if we pay money for watching animals, it's like helping the people having the animals in cage, en las jaulas. And we have to be aware of the freedom of the animal. They must be free in their habitats, okay? Tienen que estar libres en sus hábitats. Okay, this is a zoo, 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 okay? Tools, 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 okay? The tools can be used for the people who were making houses or fixing cars, okay? Tools, tools. Let's see the next one. Hoop, hoop, hoop. The hoop is round, okay? Hoop, hoop, hoop. Let's see the next one. Hook, hook, hook. If we pronounce the ending sounds, it will be better when we listen to the words, okay, for the dictations. So that's why I ask you all the times to mark the ending sounds, okay? Hook, hook, cook, cook. This is a verb, an action. Cook, cook, cook. Very good. Let's see the next one. Wood. We don't have to call the trees, okay? It is not recommended. Why? Because we suffer a lot by the global warming, okay? It is too hot and we have hurricanes like Eta and iota and maybe another one. So we had to take care of the trees, plant a tree, okay, and water them. So unfortunately, we can get wood from the trees, okay? Wood, 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 wood. Book, be a friend with a book. We have to love the books and not just love them, okay? We have to read them. Try to read a book. Book, 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 book. Very good. Let's see the next one. Moon, 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 moon. We can see the moon at night, just at night, okay? But the moon is always there in the sky. And the sun too. Moon, moon. Let's see the next one. School, Lycea. School, 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 school. Let's see the next. Goose, goose, goose. This is a bird, okay? A goose, 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 goose. Commonly, they are white and they are not bad birds, okay? Goose, goose, goose. Let's see the next one. Roof, roof. Look at my teeth. Why? Because we have a letter F at the end. Roof, roof, roof. Okay, the roof covers the houses, okay? Roof, roof, roof. Next one, hood, dedo at the end. Hood, hood, hood. Okay, this girl has a hood, hood, hood. Okay, very good. Next one, what we like the most. Food, 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 all the food, okay? It can be vegetables, fruit, junk food like hamburger, papayas, Burger King, fried chicken, and even the meat and the eggs, all the food, fish, chicken, eggs, pancakes, bread, milk, food, okay? Food. Look at me. Look at me and pay attention. Look the picture. Look all the pictures. Look your notebook, okay? Look around you. Look, a verb. Look, look, look. So we finish with this one, I guess, yes. So remember, repeat the words at least 5 times, okay? But if you want to practice more, 10 times. So let's say goodbye. See you in the class. Bye-bye.